Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to clean and decorate my front porch, and then we're going to take a quick trip to Walmart. And next I'll share with you how I transform my summer pots into fall pots. If that sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. So it is such a beautiful morning. It's a little overcast and temperatures are in the 70s and it's just beautiful out. But today I am going to transform these summer pots into fall pots. I'm going to work with the two here at the base of my deck. And I may do a little something down here to these pots here. So I have these bushes to trim up, and I may do something to the pots out here. I'm not sure. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going to take a quick look here at Walmart. I wanted to share with you the selection of mums that they had. I end up buying the small and the medium, but guys, don't wait because these flowers are selling. Guys know when you are selecting your flowers not to get the ones that are fully bloomed. If you can help it, go ahead and get the ones with just a little bit of color so that they last longer. Okay, so this is one of the planters that I'm going to refresh. I'm not going to make it over. Some of the greens are still good. I have some begonias in the front, pink and in white. There's a few petunias on the side. I may pull those out, but there's a spot here, and then there's one on the other side. And these are Goldilocks. I think that's, I don't know if that's their proper name, but that's a name that they refer to these plants as. And so I'm just going to, for right now, add some mums in these spaces, in the empty space. And I picked up some mums, some small ones, from Walmart, and these are the perfect size to go in these little spaces. Okay, here comes the school bus. Okay, let's wait for the bus to turn around. Yay, I'm free. Okay, so this is what the pot is looking like so far. I replaced some of the summer flowers with the mums in 4 different areas around the pot. I think that turned out good. And then cleaned up the canna a little bit. The canna is continuing to bloom, so it will bring out some beautiful red flowers maybe in a couple days. I can see this one is ready to bloom. So yeah, it's gonna be really pretty. Okay, so I got this wreath last year, or I made it last year, and it looks a little faded. So I was thinking of adding a little bit more color with this garland, and I don't know where I got it from, maybe Walmart last year. But yeah, I was thinking of adding a little more color to it, just to kind of brighten it up a bit. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and add the extra garland onto the wreath, and I think it turned out really nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the decor to the porch. Okay guys, so it is late in the evening, but I have to say I do love the way the pots turned out. And so yeah, I want you guys to meet me back here at my next video, and I'm going to share the reveal of the deck. I'll give you a complete tour of the front and the back, which I have never done in one video, and so it should be a real fun video. So don't forget, meet me back here. I will keep you posted as to when the next video will be out. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend.